So you have been trying to make your vlogs take that next level, but you're not entirely sure how to do that. Well, our friends over at Movo have got you covered with the iVlog 4. What's up, everybody? This is Scott. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing kind of a walk and talk style vlog using the brand new Movo iVlog 4 full video production kit. Big thanks to Movo for sending this over for us to check out. And this thing is phenomenal. It comes with a ton of pieces and parts. And let's jump in studio and talk about what some of those pieces and parts are. Welcome back to In Studio. Now let's talk about what actually comes in the kit. You get the WMX1 wireless lavalier microphone with the transmitter and the receiver. You get a 3.5mm TRS audio output cable, which goes to cameras, and then you get a 3.5mm to a TRRS output cable, which goes to smartphones. In addition to that, you get the SPR5 smartphone cage, the MV-T1 miniature tripod, which, by the way, the tripod is really freaking amazing. It's all metal. It's just a huge, like, little chunk of metal, and it's awesome. You get the tripod extension pole. You get the LED light panel. You get the SPL WA 18mm wide-angle lens. For that wide-angle lens, you get the smartphone lens clip. You get the Bluetooth shutter remote, which I'm going to talk about here more in a minute, a cleaning cloth, and a nice carrying case. Now that you've seen exactly what the pieces and parts are from in studio, let's do a quick walk and talk style vlog so you can hear exactly what this lavalier mic sounds like. Now, this is the wireless kit that they sent over from a microphone perspective, so everything that you see when I'm outside is shot on this little guy right here, plugged directly into an iPhone 12 Pro. So let's do a quick walk and talk. Okay, now this is a vlog style test using the wireless lav mic. I'm doing handheld on the Movo iVlog 4, which is that full all-in-one video set. I'm actually using an iPhone 12 Pro, just walking around. Again, everything you see is shot through the iPhone using this guy right here as the microphone for it. I gotta be honest with you, pretty surprised how it sounds. The all-in kit at $200. They usually sell this particular kit with 2 transmitters for like 120 bucks. But now you're getting like the cage and the clamp and the light and the microphones and a tripod and a tripod extension. Like, you're getting a whole lot of stuff for $200. So it is a wonderful value. So hopefully, again, from a looks perspective, Movo has nothing to do with that, but from a cage perspective, using everything that you can, again, I kind of talked about it on Amazon Live with Kevin the Tech Ninja, this is an all-in-one type system to where it can really up your production value quite a bit, and it doesn't break the bank in doing it. From a price perspective, at 200 bucks, you're getting a lens that you may or may not need to use depending on the phone that you get. You're getting the Bluetooth clicker that you can start and unlock this thing from like completely way across the way. Completely nice wireless lav system. Everything that you see and hear is shot inside of the iPhone 12 Pro, including the audio, using the Movo wireless lav system. The full cage, the tripod with the extension on it right now. And I can get up and I'm gonna show you how far away. I'm gonna go sit at another table that's probably 50-ish or so feet, probably a little bit more than that. I guess what I'm saying is Movo says that you can get 200 feet direct line of sight. I'm not really comfortable leaving my device alone when I'm doing a vlog on that style. So yeah, 50 feet is probably where I want to go. So I'm going to turn this camera around so you can see exactly what it sounds and looks like from that far away. So right now you can see me walking away. I'm sure that the audio is picking up because I've done a couple tests before to where you can see that the audio is in fact working. I'm roughly 50, 60-ish feet probably away from my phone that you can see me this far away, sitting down at this table, actually standing at this table. But yeah, I'm probably right about here where I'm in terms of comfortability being this far away from my phone. So from a vlog perspective, this is more than enough that I would have to basically be worried about. So yeah, hopefully it sounds really, really good. Let me know in the comments what you think in terms of how this thing sounds, again, for a whole video production suite for 200 bucks. Can't really go wrong with that. So let's talk about maybe one of the things or a couple things that I'm not going to use. In full disclosure, there's probably two things that I am not going to use out of this kit. Glad that they're included, just not something that I'm going to use. First is that Bluetooth button clicker. Never been a big fan of like connecting a button, accidentally hitting a button when I have it in my pocket, this, that, and the other. It's really nice that they include it. Not saying that it shouldn't be included, it's just something that I'm not necessarily going to use, which again, that's totally fine. Really glad that they include it. Another one that I'm probably not going to use, and that's only because of the types of smartphones that I use, is the included wide angle lens. Now, the wide angle lens is exceptional in terms of build quality. It thing is built like a freaking tank. I've never been a huge fan of the clip-on systems, but that's actually okay because I find that this clip-on system, and maybe this changes my mind about all clip-on systems. I guess I didn't think about it that way. But anyway, this clip-on system actually hugs really nice and well to the lenses on the back of the iPhone, and I'll show you some shots with it on, with it not. You can tell that there is a lens or something on it only because I'm specifically pointing it out. Had I not said anything at all, I doubt most people would have even picked up on the fact that there was an included wide angle shot. And again, I'll show you some shots here in just a second, just so you can see exactly what the wide angle looks like. The wireless lab system goes for about $120 on its own. Hang on, I'm getting a phone call. Doggone it. $200, you cannot really go wrong with this particular kit. Now this, in terms of ranking up there with like the Rode Vlogging Kit or the vlogging kit from Joby, this is pretty tough because this comes with a lot more stuff that I think that you can get from a functionality perspective. Now, I'll be honest, it's not a known brand. You got Joby that's been in the game for a long time. You've got Rode that's actually really, really good as well. And I'm hoping to check those things out in the next coming weeks or months or so. But yeah, this gives you so much stuff. You can use it universally with Android or iOS, which is really, really cool. And so there's so much stuff to love about a $200 vlogging kit. If you got a kiddo that's trying to get into vlogging or YouTube or anything like that, don't buy him a camera. Just let him use a phone, use a phone, use a phone. Get a vlogging kit like this to where they can start to make their own stuff that comes with a tripod and everything included. So yeah, can't really go wrong with that. Big thanks to Movo for sending this over for me to check out. And that's it. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. And as always, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment below. We'll see you next time.